To utilize the Priority Pass benefit with your Capital One Venture X card, follow these steps. Activate your Priority Pass. Upon receiving your Capital One Venture X card, you will typically be automatically enrolled in Priority Pass Select. If not, you may need to activate this benefit through Capital One's online portal or customer service. Find participating lounges. Use the Priority Pass website or mobile app to locate lounges available at airports worldwide. The app provides details on amenities offered at each lounge, including food and beverage options, Wi-Fi availability, and more. Present your card. Upon arrival at the participating lounge, present your Capital One Venture X card to the lounge staff. They will verify your membership and grant you access. Enjoy lounge amenities. Inside the lounge, you can relax in comfortable seating, enjoy complimentary snacks and beverages, access Wi-Fi, and use other facilities such as showers or business centers, depending on the lounge's offerings. Guest access. Depending on your specific Priority Pass membership level, you may have the option to bring guests with you into the lounge. Check your membership details for the guest policy. Review terms and conditions. Be aware of any limits on lounge visits per year or other restrictions outlined in your Priority Pass Select membership.